our unit of inquiry.
Can you tell me about what you have been learning?
Who we are, we choose to be healthy, what it means to have a balanced lifestyle, how the choices we make affect our health. Different places we get information that helps us make choices. I learned about healthy and unhealthy food. I learned that we should eat healthy food, like vegetables a lot. We shouldn't eat unhealthy food many times. Where we are in place and time. Let's learn from the past, present, and future. How do we find out about the past? What parts of the past affect us today? Why some things we do have changed or stayed the same over time? In this UOR, we were learning about the past, and I investigated how McDonald's ads had changed over the years. Math. I learned about the properties of shapes. Some shapes look different but have the same number of vertices. Math is sometimes hard and sometimes easy for me. English. Handwriting, I started to practice how to do cursive writing. I can read chapter books. Well, I enjoy them. Fire and wind! Once upon a time, in China, there was an old man who had 3 grown-up sons. They all lived in the same farmhouse because that was the Chinese way. The nicest shaking way.
I know.
Physical education and swimming.
Luffy is a confident student and a strong communicator. He can speak clearly to both his peers and adults with ease, and he is able to read and understand texts at a high level. Luffy is developing the use of adjectives in his writing. He is a reflective learner, and he is thinking more carefully about his correct use of full stops and capital letters. Luffy's target for the next term is to try to be more of a risk-taker when he writes by adding more content and detail of his work.
Thai puzzle Thai. I learned how to make a word and read short stories.
รัชชา รัชินี รัชชา就是国王 รัชินี 女王 国王跟女王 มา就是来这里的来 ฤาษี 记不记得我们上次有学过ฤาษี พา ชานี ชานี是什么？
很长的猴子的手。
对，嘛，那叫长臂猿，什么很长猴子的手。ชานีมาชานีจะมาดูจะ就是将要มา就是来这里จะมารู้就是要来这里看什么东西หิมะฤาษีมีวิชาดีวิชาดี好像就是很有知识很有学识啦哈哈ฮิฮิ达玛达咪这个不知道什么意思跳过
I learned about food by game.
ลูฟี่มาจากไต้หวันครับ
Luffy demonstrated great fine motor skills during the seashore work portion of this project. He utilized the space well and added a lot of his own personal details. I would like to see a little more patience with his drawing, as I have seen stellar results when he takes his time and focuses. In the end, he produced a great colleague.
老师说你没耐心呐，老师说你都没有认真画画，你有的很认真画，你很厉害，但是你都画一下就不想画了，是不是？老师说你没有 patience。
What is the hardest subject for you?
Math is the hardest one.
Why do you think it is so hard?
Because sometimes the assignments from the teacher was difficult.
How can I help you with this at home?
It would be much easier if Dad and Mom can help me practice more at home.
What is the easiest subject for you?
English is easy for me.
What is your favorite subject to learn about?
My favorite is PE classes.
Why do you enjoy it so much?
I love to run and swim.
How do you feel about your learning so far at UDIS?
I love going to school every day, but now I don't like it too much because I have to wear a mask every day. Thanks for watching. My Term 2 summary is coming up soon. Don't forget to come back again!